Problems often feel scary at first. They come without warning and make us think we might fail. Our mind fills with fear and confusion. We feel stuck and unsure what to do next. But every problem has a solution hidden inside it. That solution waits for calm thinking. When you stop running from the problem and choose to face it, things slowly start to make sense. Your mind becomes clearer. Your confidence begins to grow. Each problem teaches you something new. Each solution makes you stronger. This is how problems turn into success. 1. Accept what's happening. Fighting reality only wastes your time and energy. When you keep saying, "This shouldn't be happening," your mind stays stuck. Acceptance does not mean you like the situation or give up. It simply means you stop arguing with reality. When you accept what is happening, your mind becomes calmer. You can think clearly and focus on what to do next. Acceptance is the first step toward finding a solution. 2. Be clear about the problem. A problem feels bigger when it is not clear in your mind. When everything stays in your head, it feels confusing and heavy. Take a moment and write the problem down in simple words. Do not make it complicated. Ask yourself what the real issue is. Once you can explain the problem clearly, it becomes easier to handle. What you can understand and explain, you can start to fix. 3. Pause before reacting. Reacting immediately often makes problems bigger. When emotions take control, mistakes happen easily. Taking a short pause helps you calm down. That pause gives your mind space to think clearly. In that quiet moment, you see more options. You choose words more carefully. Better decisions are made when you respond, not react. 4. Ask useful questions. Not every question helps you move forward. Some questions only make you feel stuck and frustrated. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I do about it?" Useful questions focus on solutions, not blame. They guide your thinking toward action. The right questions open the door to progress. 5. Focus on what's in your control. Many things in life are outside your control. Worrying about them only drains your energy. You cannot change everything around you. But you can always choose how you respond. Your actions, attitude, and effort are in your hands. When you focus on these, you feel stronger. This is where real progress begins. 6. Break it into smaller parts. Big problems can feel scary and overwhelming. Looking at everything at once makes it harder. Break the problem into smaller parts. Small pieces are easier to understand. Focus on one small part at a time. Solve it, then move to the next. Step by step, the problem becomes manageable. 7. Learn what it's teaching. Every problem comes with a lesson. It shows you something you need to learn. If you ignore the lesson, the same problem may return. Take time to understand what went wrong. Notice what you can do better next time. Learning from the problem helps you grow. That lesson guides you to make wiser choices ahead. 8. Change how you see it. The problem itself does not always change. What changes everything is how you look at it. A small shift in your view can make the problem clearer. When you see it differently, new solutions appear. Changing your perspective can turn obstacles into opportunities. Your mind becomes open to ideas you couldn't see before. Sometimes, the right view is all you need to move forward. 9. Don't rush the answer. Rushing to find a solution often leads to mistakes. Pressure makes your mind tense and clouded. Step back and give yourself a little distance. Take some time to think calmly. Let your thoughts settle before deciding. When you wait, the best choices often become clear. Patience helps you solve problems more wisely. 10. Talk it out. Holding all your thoughts in your head can feel heavy. Talking to someone else can make things clearer. Another person may see something you missed. Sharing your problem does not mean you are weak. It can give you new ideas and guidance. Voicing your thoughts often makes solutions easier to find. A simple conversation can lighten your mind and open new paths. 11. take a small step. You don't need to have the whole plan ready. Starting with just one small step is enough. Even a tiny action sets things in motion. As you move, you learn more about the problem. Each step brings new understanding and ideas. Progress grows from small, consistent actions. The first step often makes the next one clearer. 12. Accept imperfect effort. Waiting for the perfect moment often holds you back. Taking action, even if it's not perfect, is better than doing nothing. Mistakes are part of learning and improving. Start now and adjust as you move forward. Every small effort counts toward progress. Perfection is not required to make a difference. Growth comes from trying, not waiting. 13. Build patience with difficulty. Running away from problems does not make them disappear. Facing them slowly, step by step, builds your inner strength. Difficulties teach you patience and resilience. The more you practice staying calm, the easier it becomes. Each challenge you face makes you stronger and wiser. Patience is grown through experience, not shortcuts. Over time, calm and confidence become natural. 14. Grow beyond the problem. Some problems lose their power when you grow and change. Instead of trying to fight or force a solution, focus on improving yourself. Growth allows you to handle challenges more easily. You don't need to fix everything, you evolve past them. By becoming stronger and wiser, problems that once seemed big become smaller. Change yourself, and the problem changes too. True solutions often come from personal growth, not just action. Every problem is an opportunity in disguise. By facing challenges, learning from them, and taking small steps, you grow stronger. Solutions come not just from action, but from patience, perspective, and personal growth. Remember, each problem you overcome shapes you into a wiser, calmer, and more capable person. Keep moving forward, every step brings you closer to turning problems into solutions.